Hi guys, this video is an exciting one for me because I've got a project that I've been working on for a couple of months now and it's finally ready, so I want to tell you what I've been up to. I've been making YouTube videos for just over a year now, and what started off as time lapses to music has turned into narrated tutorials where I talk about all sorts of different topics and techniques. It's been an amazing journey seeing my channel grow, and all the comments and support that I've had from you has really spurred me on to keep making content. I've got so many topics to cover as well as the requests I see coming in every day, so don't worry, I will be making YouTube videos for a long time to come. But at the same time, I want to take my content to the next level. So I've just launched a space over on Patreon where you can watch my videos in real time. Patreon is a platform where you can support me as an artist and a content creator, but this isn't about me just asking for money for something that you can get already for free on YouTube. As one of my patrons, you gain access to a library of drawings without the footage sped up, so you can draw along with me and see exactly what I'm doing. Every video contains extras like the reference photo, colour swatches, and the original sketchwork. I've also broken them down into chapters so you can draw at your own pace. At the beginning of each chapter, I go through in depth what we're looking to achieve by the end of this section and exactly how we're going to do it. Once I've covered it all, it then cuts to the real-time footage so you can draw along with me, but you already know what you're doing. I've purposely done it this way so that if you want to listen to music or watch TV while you're drawing, you know that I'm not just going to randomly pop up and interrupt you. So I'm launching Patreon with over 40 hours of tutorials and it's live right now, so check out the link in the description for more information. You can cancel membership at any time, and going forward I'm going to be adding at least 2 new videos every month, so there'll always be something new to draw. Projects vary in size as well. For example, my next YouTube video is going to be all about skin tones, but I will have the full portrait video on my Patreon, which is going to be about 12 hours long. If you don't want to commit that much time, there will be lots of smaller projects that are more like 1 to 2 hours long. Whether you're a beginner, drawing as a hobby, a student, or an aspiring artist, I'm sure that you'll find plenty of ways to improve your art skills from my Patreon beyond what you get from my YouTube. Most importantly, I couldn't do this without your support. So if you're watching me on YouTube or if you've become a patron, I want to take a minute to say a massive thank you. Happy drawing, guys. I'll see you in the next one.